Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance. And this day, today, we are going to talk about our business. As a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a startup, or whatever stage of your business you are in, there's one thing that anybody who wants to be successful needs to do this. Do you know what? It is exactly the same thing that when you drive a car you have to do. It is exactly the same thing that when you drive a motorcycle you need to do. When you swim you have to do. It is when you play any game you have to do. It is if you want to make your business successful, you have to look into the future. You have to have the ability to look into the future. And why I say as having the ability to look into the future is because not everybody can look into the future. All the drivers can maybe look into the mirror and the glass forward to see what's ahead of them and what's behind them. But not everybody has the ability as a business owner to look into the future. And if you are able to build or have that ability of looking at the future, knowing the future, that means you have made your business successful. That means that you have made yourself successful, because now you are able to see or predict the future and prepare yourself today for the future. Before anybody else does, before any other business does it, you are ready with a future-oriented product or a service, or basically your business is a future-oriented business. And that is exactly when your clients, your customers want to deal with you, want to transact with me. No matter what business you are in, whether you are selling a jeans or a shirt or a service or a consultancy or an insurance plan, whatever you are selling, whatever business you are in, if you can predict the future accurately, you have all the customers of the earth. You have all the clients of the earth. Everybody would be waiting for your product because your products are future oriented. Nobody buys things for today. Everybody buys things today so that he can have a secured future. If I buy a laptop today, I will be working on it today. But why would I be working on it today? To secure my future tomorrow. I would want to look good today by buying a pair of denims or something, so that I am seen as a better person tomorrow. All of us want to be seen as a better person tomorrow. We look good, we appear good, we do everything good to look good today and to look good tomorrow. All our businesses, all our products, all our services are meant to be futuristic, and any of the company that you think of has been successful. They have been futuristic. Have not they been? Has not somebody first seen the future and built a product, and then it came to you, and then you say, man, this is really awesome. This takes care of my need not only for today but also for 5 years later. That is how we see. If a road is built, if a flyover is done, is it only supposed to take care of today? Or you expect it to take care of the traffic that is going to happen in the next 5 and 10 years? If you buy a laptop for today, are you not expecting it to take care of your needs after 5 years as well? Even after the upgrades and updates that comes in during these 5 years? We all need to. So if your laptop is future ready, if your car is future ready, if your business is future ready, nothing can stop you. And how do you get future ready? How do you get this ability of predicting the future? That is by knowing something really well, by knowing your business really well, by knowing your industry really well, by knowing your industry like nobody else has known, by knowing your product like nobody else has known. That is the only way to be able to predict the future. That is the only way to be able to predict the future. You have to become an expert with whatever you do. You have to be an expert with whatever you do. Have you seen a cricketer doing a batting? He sees the future. When he is ready to bat, he, by looking at the bowler, understands the kind of ball he's going to throw. Or the bowler on the other end, by looking at the batsman, he can predict how the batsman is going to hit the ball. Both of them are predicting the future, and the person who predicts the future in a more accurate way comes out to be the winner. That is what is happening on the cricket playground. That is what is happening on the football playground. The goalkeeper, who is there to save the goal, keeps predicting the future. Will he hit there, or will he hit here? Will he hit over the top or from the below? So he keeps predicting the future, and the more accurate he predicts the future, the better a goalkeeper he is. And the more closer or the more accurate that person who is going to hit the football predicts the future about the position of the goalkeeper, the better his ability would be to make a goal. That is how all of us are predicting the future, and the better we predict the future, the more successful we are. So we need to figure out how we are able to better predict the future, and that only happens with a lot of practice, and by this practice you become an expert, and when you become an expert in whatever you do, you comfortably predict the future, because you understand the industry, you understand the product, you understand the sports, you understand it so well. You have studied that person, you have studied that business so deep that you know what is going to happen next. You exactly know what is going to happen 5 years later. And if you see the most successful businessmen, you will see that they have known what would happen exactly after 10 years. If Amazon is so successful today, that is because it predicted how successful doing an online business would be 10 years back. He invested all his money into online platforms and built an online business by just predicting that online is going to be the key thing. Facebook. Do you think anybody is doing business in present? Everybody is consistently trying to predict the future, and the more closer, the more accurate a person is in prediction, the more successful he is. So you have to get ready, you have to be prepared to study hard, to work hard, and to be an expert into the field that you are in, to have that ability to predict the future, to predict the industry, to predict how the entire industry would move, to predict how the entire country would move, to predict how the consumer behavior would change over a period of 10 years or 20 years. That is how it works. And I wish you all the very best in becoming the expert with whatever you do and becomes a successful business owner. Wish you all the very best. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.